Bible study. Paul told Timothy to put importance to doctrine. Why do we need doctrine? Without doctrine, we can fall into error or wrong ideas. We need more solid food to grow. We need good doctrine to survive storms and trials. Thus, we have the Bible study meeting to teach good doctrine. The early church took perhaps 3 years to teach new believers. It would take about that long today. The Bible study is typically midweek, Wednesday or Tuesday depending on the location. We sing some songs, and then one of the ministers gives the study. When you take notes, don't just write the verses. Write the important points to remember them. Any important ideas you wish to remember later. Any questions you may want to ask later.